Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update cloud service expenses using Zoho Books categories, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zoho Books account. Navigate to the settings option on the bottom left corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, select categories from the list. Here, you will see different categories related to your expenses. To add a new category, click on the New Category button. Enter a relevant name for your cloud service expenses. Optionally, you can add a description for further clarification. Make sure to select the appropriate type, such as expense or any other relevant option. Once you have filled in the details, click Save to create the new category. Next, head over to the Expenses tab on the left sidebar. In the Expenses section, click on All Expenses. To edit an existing expense, find and select the entry you want to update. When the expense details appear, look for the category field. From the drop-down menu, choose the newly created cloud service category. If you're adding a new expense, click the plus New Expense button instead. Fill in the necessary fields like date, amount, and description. After entering all details, click the Save button. To review your updates, go back to the All Expenses section. You can filter your expenses by category for easier tracking. This way, you'll efficiently manage your cloud service expenses using Zoho Books. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.